If you want to delete the contents of an iPhone remotely, this is how you do it. You have to know which iCloud account that device is signed into, the one you want to delete, and you have to find another iPhone or iPad or iMac or some Apple device where you can sign into the same Apple account. That's the first method. The second method, you'll be able to do it on any device that has internet access and a browser. So let's do the first one. For the first one, we're going to pop into the settings and we're going to make sure that we're signed into the proper iCloud account. So up here at the very top on the main settings page, you'll see my name or whatever name the iCloud account is associated with. If this one is not yours, if you're borrowing your mom's phone or whatever, you're going to have to sign them out down here. Choose sign out but don't erase, and then sign in with your iCloud account to have this phone on that account. Otherwise, the next step won't work. And the next step is using the Find My app. So find that on your home screen or use the search bar here. Start typing in Find, open up Find My, and it's going to show all your devices that are signed into the same Apple account. Tap into any one of them, like this one right here. This is a different iPhone that we have. Down here at the settings, tap Erase. After you tap Erase, it's going to ask you to sign in to an Apple account, the same Apple account that's on that phone. And then once you enter the Apple account and the password and it checks out, the contents on that phone are going to be erased remotely, which is pretty slick. And like I said, this has to happen on an iDevice of some kind that has the Find My app. But if you don't have access to an iDevice, you can just use an internet browser. So if I open Safari and I go to iCloud.com, there's a big sign in button on the homepage. You sign into the same iCloud account that's on the device that you want to delete remotely. You scroll down. After you're signed in here, tap on Find Devices. The same device list is over here. You can tap on whichever one you want to erase. Tap on the erase. Sign in again to confirm it's you and to confirm that the device you're trying to erase is on the same iCloud account, and then it'll be erased. But if you want to make sure that you're also scammer proof, I made this checklist right here. That's going to help you scam proof yourself and your phone. So it's something super important and it's free. All you have to do is enter your email address and download it. So scan this QR code, enter your email on that page and download it and print it and keep it with you. You can also use the link in the description down below. And if you want to also make sure that your phone is not tracking you and tracking what you're doing, this video will show you how to find all the settings that track you and how to turn them off. So make sure you check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.